All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking lost tools. All right, so what brings this subject up is this little guy right here. Little grabby tool, allows you to grab something that's not magnetic, that you drop, somewhere you can't reach. It's also got a little magnet on it, no big deal. Well, I needed it. I couldn't find it. I went, borrowed Bam Bams, and I'm like, where the heck did it go? Where did it go? Finally broke down a couple weeks later and bought me a new one. Not 2 hours later, I found the old one. It was over by my bay doors, falling down by the end of the door. But I found it after I bought a new one. There's all those memes about, my lost 10 millimeter. So it made me think, how many tools have I bought more than once, then later found? Well, let's start with 7/8 socket. Notice how this one's a whole lot grayer? Well, it's because I lost it and bought this one. And I don't remember the story behind how I got this one back, but I got two now, and I don't even use 7/8 anymore. 18 millimeter 12 point. I have another 18 millimeter. In fact, I broke that one, warranted it for a 6 point. The Snap-on dealer I had starting out, all he carried was 12 point. So a lot of my early Snap-on tools are 12 point. Don't ask me why. I don't buy 12 points much anymore. Got an extra one of those too. Now this next one is kind of interesting. It's a 15 millimeter semi-deep. I lost it. I didn't have a Matco dealer at the shop I was at, so I replaced it with a Snap-on 15 millimeter semi-deep. I waited 2 weeks for this thing because the guy didn't carry semi-deep. Literally got this in. The next day, the production manager goes, "Did you lose a 15 millimeter Matco socket? Because I know you're the only one here that has Matco." Now this next one, not once, not twice, and this is 10 millimeter. Look at this 10 millimeter. You notice how it's a different color. Well, that's because this is my original one that I've owned for, maybe 20 years. I think I broke it and had it replaced at some point, but I've had it for a long time. I couldn't find it. So then I bought, because my Snap-on dealer at the time had no stock. So I didn't have a 10 millimeter box end, so I bought a Matco. It's okay, nothing real spectacular. And eventually, I lost that one, found this one, then found that one, and then lost both of them and bought this one. And then I found them both. Gotta love lost tools that find their way home after you've bought a replacement. So hope you guys had a nice little laugh at my little, whatever you want to call this, not talking lost tools that never see again. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what tools have found their way home to you. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.